Index finds the value and match finds the position. In Excel, we often use index and match together. Here, our dataset have employee ID and employee name. Now, if we type an employee ID and want to find the corresponding employee name, we can solve it easily with index plus match. Here, our array is employee name, our lookup value is employee ID, and lookup array is match will first find the position of that employee ID, and index will then return the employee name at the position. This combination makes data lookup fast and powerful in Excel.